Good day, Mom and Sir. First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. By the way, I am Luella Militante, 34 years old from Caloocan, Philippines. I am single. My height is 156 centimeter and my weight is 60 kilograms. I am secondary graduate. I used to work before in Kuwait as a domestic helper for 2 years and 2 months. I served one family with 5 members, one couple, and 3 children. Their ages 7, 6, and the youngest one is 2 years old. My main duties are taking care of the children and doing household chores like doing laundry, ironing, cooking, cleaning the dishes, and maintaining the cleanliness of the house. And for the children, I am assisting them to take a bath, dressing up, and preparing their food and giving them food and milk on time. And I also give them full care and attention to ensure their safety. I teach them how to be a good person and most importantly is how to respect elderly. I want to work in Hong Kong because it is one of the safest country and the people as well. And I want to earn money so that I can help my family and I can save for my future too. And lastly, I want to experience the beauty and nature of Hong Kong. To my future employer, if you choose me as your worker, I will do all my duties and responsibilities and I will do my best to provide you a good service as I can. And lastly, I can promise is I will love your children as my own child. I hope I will be work you there very soon. Thank you and God bless.